Hi, today I'm going to show you how to shut down your PC in specific time in Windows 11. So for example, we will shut down our PC in 1 hour. So first we need to click rightmost button icon with a start and we need to go to run. Then I need to type here cmd and I click OK. Then command prompt will be successfully displayed. So now we need to type here specific command. It is shutdown space -s space -t space, and here we need to type time when we want to disable this PC. It will be the number of seconds. So for example, if you would like to shut down this PC in 1 hour, you need to type here 3600, but if you would like to turn off it in 2 hours, you need to type here 7200. Everything depends on your preferences, yeah? So for example, I type here 3600 and I press enter. After that, you will see this information that your system will be closed in 60 minutes. So in this way, you can easily turn off your PC in specific time. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.